Outside my door, it's Bodega Bay. A squadron of birds swoops out of Hitchcock's film, overtaking neighborhood condos. Swirling cloud, shrieking dinosaurs, diving onto balconies. Crowding trees, gray branches bending under blackened fruit. Other cliques cluster on rooftops, witnessing another day's sun plucked from sky. How long will it be before they claw the eyes out of dogs or cats? A car backfires, but the noise doesn't rattle the flock. They have grown emboldened, living alongside another predatory gang of beasts. Homo sapiens.